Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Some amazing scientific information about different animals. All cats have enchanting bright eyes, and the special thing about them is that they have vertical slit pupils which make the eyes all the more beautiful and mysterious. There are many examples of animals that have no teeth, including a wide range of invertebrates such as sponges and sea anemones. Two types of mammals that have no teeth are blue whales and anteaters. The sperm whale, fun facts, the sperm whale has the biggest brain of any animal species, weighing up to 20 pounds, 7 to 9 kilograms. Some species like tapirs and rhinoceroses have 3 toes. Other species like horses have evolved over time and now only have 1 toe or hoof. The species in this order also have long tapered faces and large nostrils. The python, the vertebrate with the most bones, is the python. These giant snakes can be over 20 feet long and they have 118 bones in their bodies. However, some animals have no bones at all. These boneless creatures are called invertebrates. Some species of dragonfly have more than 20,000 lenses per compound eye, a greater number than any other living creature. Sharks never run out of teeth. A shark may grow as many as 20,000 over its lifetime. Shark teeth are covered in fluoride, the same ingredient in toothpaste that helps to keep teeth strong, make them naturally resistant to cavities. Your teeth are not. The Babirusa is also known as the saber-toothed pigger. Babirusas are hogs that have 2 large canine teeth. These teeth can grow up to 8 inches long, sometimes growing right through the skin. Hippopotamuses have the largest teeth of any land animal. This is true. A snail's mouth is no larger than the head of a pin, but can have over 25,000 teeth. But these are not like regular teeth, they are on its tongue.